An entitled mother poured toxic black paint into an elderly man's private pool because he wouldn't let her kids swim in it. Watch the judge absolutely destroy her.
Your Honor, I refuse to let strangers use my backyard pool due to liability. I saved for years to build that for my grandkids. She climbed my fence and poured industrial paint into the water, destroying the pump and filters.
He was being selfish. My kids were crying because of him. We live in a community, and if he won't share his pool with my children, then no one should use it. It's just water. He can drain it with a hose. It's not a crime.
Destroying a pool system requires a $15,000 hazmat cleanup, not a garden hose. This is felony vandalism. I'm ordering you to pay full damages and face criminal charges.
She smashed his truck window and stole his tools because the noise bothered her, and he lost $47,000 in jobs. And she said power tools should be illegal, but the judge saw through it.
Your Honor, I was working on a house down the street, parked legally. She came out with a bat and smashed my window. Then she took my tools right out of my truck. $8,500 worth. Without my tools, I can't work. I lost 3 jobs, $47,000 gone because of her.
Your Honor, the noise was unbearable. Power tools at 10 in the morning. I work from home. I have a right to peace and quiet. Power tools before 5 p.m. should be illegal. I didn't steal anything. I confiscated a public nuisance. He can buy new tools. I can't buy back my sanity.
You confiscated a nuisance? I have your ring camera footage. You smashed his window and took his tools. He was working legally. It cost him $47,000 in lost jobs. Tools returned, $80,000 in damages, 4 years for theft.
This Karen ruined her neighbor's classic car with a $10 spray can because it looked rusty. She told the court it was ugly and ruining her kitchen view. Wait until the judge tells her how much that view will cost her.
Honor, that rusted piece of trash was ruining my kitchen view and dragging down our property values. I warned him, but he ignored me, so I bought a $10 can of white spray paint and covered the ugly rust myself. I actually did him a massive favor. If anything, he owes me for the paint.
Currently vandalized an unrestored 1956 Porsche Speedster. That ugly rust is original patina. It's a true barn find. Collectors pay a fortune for that piece of trash because it's untouched history, and you destroyed it with a freaking $10 can of paint.
Let me get this straight. You trespassed onto private property and spray painted a classic car because you didn't like your kitchen view. Ignorance of history is not an excuse for vandalism. Ma'am, if you don't like what you see from your window, close your blinds. Judgment for $150,000 for professional restoration and the permanent loss of value.
This Karen sued a barista for not being respectful. He said there was no insult or raised voice, just a normal coffee order. She said she didn't feel respected as a customer. Watch what the judge decided.
I took her order like I do with everyone. I made the drink correctly. I handed it to her. I was working. I wasn't trying to be rude.
Your Honor, I ordered my drink politely. He didn't smile. He didn't acknowledge me. He handed me the cup without a word and turned away. I felt disrespected as a customer.
The court does not regulate tone or perceived attitude. Service is measured by what was done, not how it felt, ma'am. This case is dismissed.
He shot a kid's drone out of the sky when it flew over his land. But with his reckless use of a firearm, he put that kid in danger, and the judge doesn't like it.
His birthday was a couple days prior, so this was like the 3rd time we had it out. He was just flying around in the fields. Obviously, he got a little curious with the buildings, but he was flying it like at least 50, 60 feet up. And then Dean here just blew it out of the sky. So
I'm in there, I hear the thing buzzing, so I go running out and see what it is, and I see it up there zipping around, and it's looking right at me. So I went and grabbed my 12 gauge and I shot it. I've had equipment stolen before, and I thought it's probably the same feller.
Mr. Miller, look, I get that you don't want people peeking on you, but you can't be so reckless with your firearm, sir. You put a kid at risk over this. I'm sustaining the charge of reckless discharge. Pay for the boy's drone, stay out of trouble for a year, and we won't have to talk about jail.
Then you had no right to take a single dollar from him.
A veteran checked his account expecting his monthly disability payment, but the balance wasn't there. The money had been taken without warning, and what followed raised serious legal questions.
Your Honor, the action taken was part of a standard debt recovery process. The account was flagged under an outstanding obligation requiring enforcement. The system processed the garnishment based on available records.
Your Honor, that money is my disability benefit. It's how I survive.
That payment is protected by law and should never have been touched.
It was taken anyway, without warning or explanation.
I was left with nothing because of that action. Are disability benefits legally protected from garnishment under federal law? Yes, such benefits are generally protected from garnishment.
Then you had no right to take a single dollar from him.
This court orders full repayment and holds the agency liable for unlawful action.